What's up, boys? We are back. The Honda gods called me last week and said, hey Sonic, you're due for a unicorn. So what happened was I found a unicorn. I found a original one owner car, super hard to get, very, very hard to get. I won't tell you guys about the car, but I'll tell you about how I found it. The car was listed online. It was up for about, I think, an hour. So I hit the original owners up. They were ones that actually posted the car. So I DM'd them, and then she said, hey, look, I have multiple offers on the car. We decided we're not going to sell the car anymore. We're going to post it on Bring a Trailer. So I think 2 weeks go by. This was like back a month ago. 2 weeks go by, which was, I think, up until last week. They wrote back to me and said, hey, look, Bring a Trailer wants to post our car with no reserve. They weren't okay with that. I want X amount of dollars for it. You know me, I agreed. The car is near California. It took about a week to get here. Car showed up last night, got the car washed, and now the car's in the shop. So I got my Tommy F Yeah hoodie on. I just want to say, Tommy, fuck your Phantom Gray EG hatch, because this shit right here, I'll let you guys decide. Tommy loves that Phantom Gray shit. I do not like that shit, but you guys be the judge of which car. I think this car is like right next to his. His has 38,000 miles. My shit, I'm not even gonna say. You guys drop in the comments below how many miles you think are gonna be on my car. I'll show you guys a full car, show you guys the engine bay, show you guys the interior. I'll even FaceTime Tommy while we're recording, and I'll also FaceTime the original owners. The car came with the original window sticker. It's true one owner car. The original ones I think are like super old. They're like, I think 70, maybe 60 years old. I have both keys. I have all the paperwork for it. The car looks immaculate, and it is immaculate. It runs great. So I'll show it to you guys. I'm almost at the shop, and then we'll FaceTime Tommy when we get there. All right, boys. So we are gonna FaceTime the original owners while on camera. So we're just gonna ask them a few questions just so I can show you guys like kind of like their age and how long they own the car for, some of the maintenance that they did to it. So it'd be pretty cool because they wanted to see the car also when they got up here. So I'm gonna FaceTime them right now so you guys can check them out. Hopefully they answer. Yeah, they don't even know like how to use a phone. Like I had to do a wire with them on FaceTime. Shit was cool though.
Judging this car, I feel like they have a rotary phone at home.
YouTube did not see the car yet, so we'll show you guys the car while we're on FaceTime with them because they want to see the car also. FaceTime video. Mahmoud.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, how's it going?
Oh.
Do you miss the car?
Do I? don't hide it from me.
I'm not. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. When I got the car last night from the transporter. The car had like because we got snow up here, so I had a little bit of salt. So this morning I was like, the car looks a little weird, right? So I went and took it to the car wash. The dude at the car wash was like, oh my God, how's this car this clean? So I got the car back to the shop and like I just put my stickers on and stuff. The car is immaculate. It runs better than any Honda Civic I ever bought.
Wow, well that's good for you.
Yeah, I can't wait to show it to you after I cleaned it. I put the mud guards on from Honda, so I'll show you those. And I put the window tag back on the car.
The window tag?
The original window tag that you guys sent me.
What was that?
The window sticker.
Oh yeah, when you buy it brand new.
Yeah, your wife sent me that and all the booklets, the keys. So you bought the car back. You said 94.
95.
95.
June. Yep.
I wish I could get it for the same window sticker, brand new. Tell her I said thank you for making everything so easy.
Well, I hope it was.
Yeah. I want to show you guys because originally when I talked to you guys on Facebook, you guys were gonna post it on Bring a Trailer, and then I hit you guys up like a couple weeks after, and thank God you guys still had the car.
Yeah.
Well, it's because Bring a Trailer denied it. Somebody said we had to go get it detailed, so we did.
Yeah.
But it really did the detailing, but mainly affected the engine. It made the engine look really nice.
The whole car looks amazing. Look, I'll show it to you guys.
Right now?
Yeah.
Oh, there's my baby.
Looks good, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
that
it
looks
looks
just
really
like
good.
when I got done.
The interior, they did a really good job. Yeah, I put the mud guards on.
Yeah, my
Did
God.
you? Oh,
Yeah.
let's see. Let's see.
It's in the back there.
Oh, this.
Oh yeah, nice.
So I did that one, and then I put the original Honda front lip on the car that has like a spoiler.
Yeah, nice.
So it kind of looks like it fits in pretty good.
Ah,
Yeah, very nice.
that's, what do you call that?
Lip, a front lip.
Front lift?
LIP.
LIP.
Yeah.
You got a fat lip.
A fat lip.
How'd you keep this car in such good condition?
Every day, out there wiping in it, doing all that. I little piece that you said right there, I couldn't even find one.
You kept this car probably in better condition than anyone I've ever bought a Honda Civic from.
He literally wiped off the dust every night.
So on these cars, right, usually all this stuff rusts. The bolts are pretty rusty when you get them. The AC usually is rusted. These usually break when you take them out. And the same thing with the radiator.
Well, I tried that.
And you would dry it every time you washed it in there.
Yeah, so these covers are usually super rusty.
Yeah.
All the zinc usually will get rust here in Connecticut. Yeah. Well, I just wanted to call you guys to tell you guys thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
The car went to a really, really good home. I'll send you guys pictures of anything I change on the car and keep you guys updated also.
That's great. If you could also text us a picture of where it is now.
All right. It was good.
Talk to you later.
It was good talking to you guys. See you guys.
Great. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good, you too.
All right, boys. So this is the Unicorn. It's unbelievable. When was the last time you seen a stock car like this, bro?
Last week, but it wasn't an SI. this car hits different.
Yeah. Do you believe that those people that we just spoke about?
It's crazy. Like I feel like there's not much people like that around anymore. Like they're really great people. They like to talk a lot too, but they're original owner, right?
Yeah, original owner they bought a brand new 95 and kept the car in the garage, bro, and didn't even drive it in the wintertime.
Yeah.
So let's take a quick tour on the car. Let me know what you think, J-Rock.
We need to ask the people, and it sucks because like they can't actually see how clean this car is in person. But what do you guys think it has for mileage? We're gonna show you the car right now, and I want you guys to put in the comments what you think this has for mileage, and we'll reveal it maybe in the next video or something.
All right, dope. So this is a 95 Civic SI hatch, one owner. You cannot find these cars in this condition, especially from the original owner. The last time I think I even bought a car from like that was maybe a few years ago.
Yeah.
And the Honda gods called me last week, bro.
Got the original window sticker. It's crazy. Let's show them the window sticker.
How much was it brand new, bro?
$14,020.
I wish today I could get
I
some.
heard these cars don't lose value though. I heard they hold their value.
Before we start though, are you gonna want to rip this shit apart? Like,
I don't
would
know
you
where
do?
I'm at.
Would you do a project on this? Would you
I
feel
don't know
okay?
yet. Like, me personally, I don't know yet. It might bother me a little bit to tear this apart because it's so clean. It's all original. Like regular DXs and nothing. Like we could tear those apart, but an actual white SI,
All right.
it might hurt a little bit. But one thing that I do want to do is a burnout on this thing.
Burnout?
Yeah.
Nah.
I think we need to do a burnout. It's like our ritual now.
All right, real quick before we even get started, this car or Tommy's Phantom Gray car? We're gonna be FaceTiming him in a couple minutes.
This SI.
Tommy said he fucking hates sunroofs, but I need the people to leave a comment now. Which car are you taking? You taking this Civic Si or Tommy's Phantom Gray car?
You want a sunroof or you want plastic seats?
This shit is way better than the fucking Phantom. His shit doesn't even have a fucking mirror.
I do like the Phantom Gray, but it's just the gray interior, the pleather seats, and this is just an SI, and it's white.
And it's white.
Yeah.
All right, let's go through this. Let's check out the interior first. We're not gonna tell you guys the mileage.
This thing is crazy.
Look how fresh this is, right? Those are original floor mats.
Look at the seats.
How the back seats look?
Like nobody's even sat in them.
Here's the back seats. Got all the mats. These are original mats from '95 because the new ones do not look like that anymore. The seats are brand new. Looks like no.
The driver's seat too is like just as fresh as
Yeah,
this.
usually they're ripped on the side. That one's not ripped.
I don't see any defects at all in the interior.
All right, so what do you give the interior? 10 out of 10?
I give it a 10. Well, I give it a 9.5 because they changed the radio. But
All right, yeah, there's no stock radio. It has the cargo cover though.
yeah.
This thing is fresh.
Even the steering wheel looks like it's still brand new.
You can't get too close because we can't show them the mileage, bro.
Oh my god. It's got speakers in the back.
Yeah.
That was a factory option, or did they come?
They came factory with these. Has the rubber on the quarter panel. That's a plus.
Yep.
Has all the fender liners. So 95, you guys know, they comes with the painted fog light thing. So,
Here's a fun fact. I did not know that, and he schooled me last week.
yes, I did. And the back bumper, you know, it has a black strip. It's painted on 94, 95, but I think only on a few certain years. So let's check engine bay. Look at this car though. This car is just it. Imagine this thing driving on the street. I would stop traffic.
I'm following them. These headlights.
It is fresh. This engine bay definitely needs a wash. Whoever tried to detail it didn't like. It needs a power wash. But what's the first thing that pops up out to you?
All the zinc stuff is still intact, which is crazy. Look at this stuff.
All that stuff is usually rusted in Connecticut.
Yeah.
Even the shield.
That's crazy. This car is really fresh. I almost don't want to tear into it.
We should not tear into it, bro. Not tear into it at all. You guys are savages. When you saying this now, right now, because it's just me and you. My brother comes around, Kevin comes around, you're like, oh, all-wheel drive, turbo. Oh, this.
Come in tomorrow and the motor's gonna be out.
Nah, hell no, not out of this.
Honestly, you know what we should do? Honestly, if we all agree, let's just keep this car original, we should still pull the motor and clean the entire engine bay the right, proper way, like almost like a restoration.
We can have Tommy dry ice blast this. You know, I think it'll come out pretty good.
I think this car would be worth it if we go that route.
But imagine in the summertime, right? We got all stock white SI hatch. We got the yellow Type R. This just will go good together.
Is this a company car? Or?
No. Now we're gonna FaceTime Tommy.
FaceTime?
Yeah, we're gonna FaceTime. Let's go. All right, boys. So we're gonna call Tommy. He owes us a set of R888s. He owes me my Uber fare, and he thinks he got the best hatchback in Connecticut. But we're gonna FaceTime his ass right now. Tommy, you owe me a set of R888s, right?
No.
Yes, you see that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet you owe me a set of R888s and you owe me some Uber fare.
And a fucking powder coat job.
Yes. You know what my brother said when we got here? We got driving lessons for you if you need to take some.
Those tires are overheated like a bagel in the morning.
All right, you ready to see this car?
What do you want to start off with? A small or just guess? Like a little teaser.
We'll start off with the window sticker. How about that? Your shit got a window sticker?
Let me see.
Your car got a window sticker? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
OEM Plus, just for you.
Oh, hold on. Here, you want to put that on for him?
You already put stickers on the fucking thing and ruined it.
Did we ruin it now?
F your spec, baby.
You really ruined it.
Yo, remember when we was talking, what the fuck is better than a Phantom gray fucking hatchback?
I think you said a white SI.
A white fucking one owner Civic SI hatchback.
How many miles?
I'm not gonna say how many miles. I'm gonna need you to guess how many miles. Right? I'm gonna show you the car. Alright, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna show you the interior first.
You gotta start with the door panels.
Alright, hold on. Check that baby out. Looks better than a 38K.
Yo, look at those fucking seats though.
How many miles?
Hold on. We're gonna put this on YouTube for them to guess the miles, and you have to do the same thing. We're gonna pop the hood for you. You wanna pop it? You see, I got the rubbers like your car, and you know what I got that your car don't got? Mud flaps and a passenger mirror.
And this is the most important.
This is the most important baby right here. We also hate your Phantom gray shit.
Can we have a build off though?
Yo,
You want to have a build off?
Can we have a build off?
Pop up.
Can You got to give me an honest opinion about this real quick after I show you this.
Oh my god.
Yo, check
Tom,
this.
look at the zinc.
Zinc, baby. You did this at your shop?
It looks like it.
Check out the throttle body bolts.
Alright, you gotta tell me the mileage.
No, you have to guess the mileage.
48,000.
So you guess 48,000. I'm gonna edit this clip so YouTube doesn't see it. So you said 48,000.
Yeah.
If you're off by a lot, can we have a build off?
No, because obviously I am. Or you wouldn't fucking ask me that after I did my guess.
All right, we're gonna bleep this shit out the video, I guess.
Jesus Christ.
Hold on. Huh? Bro, One owner garage cab. I'm gonna show you. I'm not lying. You see that?
That's insane.
Look at the fucking interior though.
That doesn't make sense.
It does. I'm gonna send you a picture of the guy I got it from. And hold on, I need. This shit looks like the type of underneath the car.
It's crazy.
That cargo cover is fresh.
Yo, look how clean the cargo cover. You see that?
Yeah, it's insane.
And then hold on 1 second. Right?
The guy leave his underwear in there?
Nah, he just put a rag in there. What'd you say?
Look at the pipe. Oh, did you show the pipe too?
Check out the exhaust tip. Look at the car underneath.
That's insane. You gotta bring that in for drives when we get the Field of Premium.
Can we get a sponsorship?
Yeah, can we get a sponsorship?
Yeah, I'll do it for free.
Alright, so I just want to get this on camera, Tommy. Fuck your Phantom Gray EG hatch.
We're calling you out with that shit, bro.
Well, yeah, we are. Yo, we gotta take your sticker the fuck back off. I'm sorry, Tommy. I'm sorry. This shit has to fucking go. That's a fucking good sticker, bro. Yo, do we get approval, bro?
Yeah, that thing's insane.
Can we get approval and can we put this all together?
Yeah, that's YouTube gold.
So I got the window tag, I got both sets of keys, I got pretty much everything that this car came with.
Who put the window sticker in the fucking window?
I did.
The guy never took it out.
Yo, you can't lie though. I'm not. This car is clean, right?
That's crazy. Doesn't even make sense. Well, my question for him is, who did this?
Oh, you gotta answer the question.
Yo, did you have Grant? Did you have Grant unmount these tires?
Right there.
Who did this? I don't know.
That broke ass fucking tire machine is what did it.
It was probably Sonic fucking taking them out.
Nah, these wheels didn't look like
Nah,
this.
if you get yourself one of these bad boys right here, you won't have that problem.
You probably slipped and dropped it.
Tommy just approved of the hatch, right?
Yeah.
You putting it. Oh,
We're
disrespect.
calling Tommy out.
Calling Tommy out.
He needs to build that Phantom and we'll build something.
All right, so we gotta take a sticker off. You got a razor blade?
Give me a razor blade.
Before the blade, the sticker on the tire too, because he can't. Should we leave that one?
No, we're gonna fucking.
he did the damage
We're
there.
gonna put this shit where it belongs.
Where does that shit belong? Oh, New England one's on there now.
Put that shit there.
That's for the non-drivers, right?
Yeah. It's all tagged up now.
What you gotta tell Tommy?
You suck at driving and you need to bring out that Phantom. Let's bring it to the track. We'll have 2-part series, drag racing, and bring it to, what's that track he always goes to that he loves so much?
Oh, the racer track, the circle track thing, or
Dragon's Tail or some shit like that?
Tail of the Dragon.
Tail of the Dragon.
Tail of the Dragon.
Yeah.
We'll bust his ass.
We'll definitely bust his ass.
So his Honda to our Honda, right?
Yeah.
2022, we could do it in the spring.
I've seen Tommy drive a Honda before and it's just, I don't know. Maybe you could throw a clip in
All right,
when he's
that-
driving your Type R. He's driving like the old lady that owned this car.
All right, that's a call out if I ever heard one.
Yeah.
See you later, Tommy.
We love you, bro.
I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, this feels unreal. I honestly don't believe that this car is in front of me. You guys seen, I bought the car from the original owner. This car is beautiful. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'm still speechless. I'm lucky to even own this car right now. I run into so much great cars, so this is probably one of my favorite that we picked up because the car is bone stock, all in factory condition. Drop in the comments below what you guys think of the hatchback. The car is super clean, one owner car. You don't find them like this anymore. So before I end this video, I need you guys to head over to Tommy's page and tell him fuck his Phantom Gray EG hatch. White SI hatches are better.